Hello everyone, this is Do. I want to talk to you today about healing through integration. And healing through integration is the fourth kind of healing, or you can order it the way you want, but it's one of the four kinds of healing. And the reason that I'm sharing this is because as I'm cycling here through this nice authentic, well, there's a lot of tourists also around. Where are we? Netherlandian village. I can feel that integration healing happening in me. And I think a lot of what people call nature is like there's something nature and there's something not nature. Well, we call it nature, but a lot of what people talking about is just integration healing, just being in an environment where it's very different from the city. The reason that I'm doing this video here is because I came from the city. I was there for a while, for like 2 weeks, and just coming out of it, I feel my whole nervous system relaxes. I feel that things that created harm in me, or things that were not in harmony with me, are getting in harmony. Things like emotions. And I think these kind of emotions are not like unprocessed. Maybe they are. Maybe they are unprocessed. And one of the kinds of healing is an emotional healing process. But I could not even think about doing this. And now maybe I can think about doing it when I'm here integrating first. So one of the cool things about healing through integration is that you can do it after you do an emotional healing process. You can go to nature, walk around, cycle, whatever. But also you can do it before, and I think that a lot of what we do in life is integration healing. When we walk, I was just thinking about all my travels through South America and doing treks around the world, like being really in nature a lot. And I think maybe I was in some way preparing myself for doing more process kind of healing, more initiations, more when someone holds space for my emotions, and I really go to process them, kind of like putting them back to place, like a surgery kind of thing. And yeah, so as I cycle here, I feel how much I can get relaxed and can heal, really heal from the craziness of the effect, of the city craziness. I say, when we say crazy, it's sometimes overwhelmed, getting overwhelmed, like it's four mixed emotion: joy, anger, sadness, and fear. So healing from that overwhelm, from being in the city, from the violence, from the noise. You could see even when the cars were passing by, it felt so violent to this natural video, this pastoralic kind of thing. And so here's a car. Look how it feels. So one experiment you can take from this video is go outside, go to nature, find some, it doesn't have to be only walking in nature, it can be also just taking time. Integration healing is also about time. It's about like taking care of yourself, drinking a lot of water, eating healthy food, a lot of that kind of stuff. So you can do an experiment and try some of this integration healing, and then see if you're more prepared to process anything, or see if that's maybe the kind of healing that you needed. Just integration. Hope this video brings more clarity about what is integration healing, and take care. See you next time.